5 more minutes, Kiki. Wake up, Emma! Wake up! Okay.
I am awake. You are louder than my alarm clock, Kiki. Good morning, my best friend. Are you... Mango for breakfast? You eat better than me.
Emma, remember, Kiki's cage needs cleaning today.
I know, Mom. I will clean it after school.
Clean, thank you.
You are welcome, Kiki.
That bird gets better food than I do.
Kiki is special. He deserves the best.
Leo,
Yeah. Good morning, you little green monster.
Almost done, Kiki. Your house will be so clean.
Outside bird friend?
There, all clean. Kiki, come see urine. Okay, Kiki, your house is ready. Come. Kiki, not. Kiki, come back. Please come back. He is gone. He is gone. Kiki flew away. He went out the window. I left it out, but he is...
Oh, Emma.
Okay, let's not panic. How long ago?
2 minutes.
Emma, listen. Kiki does not know how to live outside. He needs us.
We will find him, I promise. What happened?
Then let's go find him. Right now. Come on.
Kiki! Kiki, where are you?
He is a bright green parrot. He should be easy to see. Let's check Mrs. Chen's garden. You said he flew that direction.
Yes, this way. Hurry! Mrs. Chen, did you see Parrot? He flew over how high?
Oh, if it's a bird sound. It came from that direction. Come on, Emma.
He must be so scared out there alone. He has never been outside without me.
Birds know how to fly, Emma. He is not helpless, but he is probably confused. We need to find him before it gets dark.
Kiki! Kind ball!
Let's split up. I will check the playground trees. You Chem. If you seem Naban.
If he's have fun. Kiki, are you here? It is me, Emma. I have Mango at home. Your favorite. Not you. I am looking for a parrot. Green. Very handsome. Very loud.
Kiki! Come on, bird! Where are you?
I am going to post about this. Someone in the neighborhood must have seen him. Hey, Emma, you look upset. Carlos, my parrot Kiki flew away.
Have you seen a green parrot?
Actually, I saw a colorful bird on the bakery roof.
Tony's Bakery. I'll come with you.
Leo, Carlos saw Kiki on a bakery roof on Oak Street. How long ago? Maybe 20 minutes. He was sitting there talking things he knows. Let's hurry before he flies somewhere else.
He is not here anymore. We are too late.
Wait, look.
This is Kiki's feather. He was here. He is close. I can feel it.
Are you looking for that crazy bird? He was here. He sat on my table and said hello to every customer. Then he ate a piece of my croissant and flew that way.
I will ride ahead and check. Meet me there.
I found him. Look, up there, in the tree. Do you see the green?
Kiki!
Oh, Kiki, there you are.
Emma? Emma?
Yes, Kiki, it is me. Emma, come down, boy, come to me.
Scared.
He is too high, and I think he has never been up this high before.
What do we do? He's too scared to fly down.
I could try to climb it, but those branches are thin up there. They might break.
What if we get some food? Something he loves. Maybe he loves mango. Kiki, do you remember when I first got you? You were so tiny. You fit in my hand.
Emma.
Come on, little bird. Come down.
Mr. Gomez says good luck with the parrot.
He like it.
Mango! Kiki wants mango! Down. Down? Kiki, go down?
Yes, Kiki. Fly down to me. I am right here. Fly to Emma. No, Kiki! Emma, he's scared. He's scared? I am here. I am right here. Do not move, okay? Stay right there. It is okay, Kiki. I am here now. You are safe.
Come to Emma. Kiki, go home.
Yes, we are going home.
You got him! Emma, you got him! Yes! The mission worked!
He was behind the boxes. He was so scared. But he came to me. Love, Emma.
You know, for a little bird, he caused a lot of trouble today.
He did not mean to. He saw the open one and the other birds and just wanted to be free for a minute.
You fell. Thank goodness we both tang, right?
And hungry. We had croissant today.
I am very proud of you, Emma.
You did not graffuck that.
No more open windows, Kiki. I almost lost you today.
Ho. Kiki holds a ho.
Kiki, I have been thinking. You flew away because you wanted to go outside, and I understand. You are a bird. Birds are supposed to fly.
Spine sash. Just for you.
See, Dad? It is an outdoor cage, but really big. Kiki can sound the sigh around inside.
I can help build it. I am good with some tools.
We are doing this! Team Kiki!
We need the wire mesh with the small holes.
So Kiki cannot squeeze through.
This one has half-inch
We
holes.
need a color. Kiwi's favorite color?
Kiki's favorite color is green. Okay, team. Step 1. We dig 4 holes for the corner posts. Leo, grab the shovel.
I will mark where the holes go.
Build Kiki house.
It is starting to look like something.
It looks like a giant bird jail. It is not a jail. It is a bird palace.
Whoa! What are you building? A rocket ship?
It is an aviary for Kiki, an outdoor flying house. What do I do?
Attach mesh to the frame. Do not staple your no promises.
Kiki needs a swing too. He loves swinging on things.
Like this? I made it from the porch swing scraps.
Mom, it is perfect. It is beautiful. Kiki is going to love it.
You designed it, Emma. This was your idea.
I am not gonna lie, that is a pretty nice birdhouse. Kiki lives better, Kiki.
Okay, Kiki, this is your new outdoor home. You can fly in here. It is safe. Go ahead.
Big house. Kiki fly. Kiki fly.
Swing, swing, whee!
He loves it. He really loves it. You did a good thing, Emma.
I am the proudest dad in the world, right?
Okay, I will admit it. The bird palace is cool. La la la, what a beautiful day. Cat, 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 cat. Cat, cat.
Kiki. Hey, get away from him. Oh, I got this.
Cat gone.
It's okay, Kiki. The cat cannot give us this.
That cat look he has been already stronger. And we need to keep watch. Dad, we need to add mesh to the bottom too. And maybe make the door lock stronger.
Smart thinking.
You are thinking like an Abendgratz-Door.
Has to on live sequence. If that cat comes back, we will hear him.
Cats hate lemon. This stuff smells great to me, though.
This door is cat-proof.
Safe. No bad cats.
Good morning. This is the best day. Say, thank you, Kiki.
Good boy. Now say, I am Kiki.
Leah is the best.
Teach him to say Leo is the best. Wait, he actually said it?
Emma, your bird is very smart. Can he say my name?
Let's try. Kiki say,
Hello, Miss Chan.
Oh, Kiki like you love her bird. Nobody likes you, Mrs. Years.
Hey, Kiki, say go!
Go, go, go.
This bird is my favorite bird in the world.
he can learn almost anything. He just needs to hear it a few times.
He knows my name?
The whale swam through the deep blue sea.
You what, boy? Active pussy? Kiki likes story. More story.
Welcome to the Kiki Language Show. Today, Kiki will show you all the words he knows.
Hello.
He talks, he sings, and he is the smartest parrot on this street. Kiki, what is this?
Mango. Kiki loves mango. Yay!
Oh, Kiki hon tell me.
Now, Kiki will sing a song.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Yang near
Thank you, Santa.
That was amazing, Emma. Kiki is the coolest pet I've ever seen.
He is not just a pet, he is my best friend.
You should do this every week. The Kiki Show. Kids from the whole block would come.
Saturday Kiki showtime.
Welcome everyone to the second Saturday Kiki Show. Today, Kiki will learn a new word right now.
New word. Yay, hello Kiki.
Kiki, say dolphin. Dolphin, da. Take your time, Kiki, dolphin.
That is a very special bird. Emma, my name is Omar. I have never seen a bird learn as fast as yours.
Thank you, Mr. Omar.
Twice, Kiki.
Right. Thank you so much.
Dear Diary, today was the best Saturday ever. 12 kids came to the Sesame friend. Mr. Alma lost Kiki, but now I will take care of him forever. The cat is back, but he is just sitting there. I think he is just lonely. Hey there, I am not going to hurt you.
Are you not? Be careful. He likes scratches.
He is hungry. Leo, can you bring some milk?
See, he is just hungry. He was not trying to eat Kiki. He was coming here because he could smell our food.
Yes, Kiki, the cat was hungry. Just like you get hungry.
Emma, is that the cat that tried to get Kiki?
Yes, but he's not bad, Mom. He's a stray. Can we help him?
We cannot keep every animal, Emma. Let's call him.
Ah, cat. An orange tabby, torn ear, street cat. About 3 years old, I think.
I'm finally calling Whiskers.
Whiskers, you will have a home by Friday.
You are going to find a great family, Whiskers.
You have a big heart, Emma.
Kiki is lucky to have you.
And now Whiskers is lucky too.
Kiki, the cat has a name now. Whiskers. And Whiskers not a bad cat. He was just lost. Like you were lost. Everyone deserves a home. Very good, Kiki.
Emma!
Good news! Whiskers has been adopted. A very nice family with 2 children.
They came in this morning and fell in love with him immediately.
That is so cats do that, you know. Kiki! Whiskers found a home!
A family adopted him. He is going to be loved. Wait, did you just say good cat?
Hi, cat, the kindest bird in the world. Welcome, everyone, to our biggest Kiki show ever.
Today, Kiki has something very special to say. Something he learned just for today.
Are you ready? Kiki, what do you want to say to everyone?
Thank you for being my friend. Kiki loves everyone.
Elsa! I am so proud of everyone.
Love Emma.
I love you too, Kiki. And I was so scared away. Sometimes the worst day becomes the beginning of the best days.
She grew up a lot these past few weeks.
She really did. She solved every problem herself. The aviary, the cat, the shows.
Kiki taught her something important,
What is that?
even when it is hard.
Good night, Kiki. Sweet dreams.
Home. Kiki, home.